Mix a whole packet of seasoning, taco seasoning mix, to a 16-ounce container of sour cream. Then spread a thin layer of refried beans on your dish. I have them all spreaded nice and evenly, nice and thinly. Next, I'm going to add my sour cream with the taco mix mixed into it. Next, I'm just gonna slice up a handful of these cherry tomatoes, cut them in half, maybe in quarters because these are extra large, and I will sprinkle them all around. I also have green onions that I'm gonna chop. I need to get these washed. And I use, it's just easier, buy a bag of shredded lettuce. I like to make my sour cream taco mixture early so it has a chance to congeal and the powdery gets absorbed. It's just a little better. Now, we'll sprinkle it with the shredded lettuce. Just a little tip, if you go too far overboard, it's kind of hard to eat. It falls off the chip. So I do the lettuce sparingly while still making sure there's plenty. But I've had it happen way too many times. People reach in because you take a scoop and scoop out the whatever, scoop out some. And the lettuce just drags everything off of it. So I think that's pretty good. It's usually about half a bag. That's about right. Next, I'm going to sprinkle a few tomatoes. That looks pretty nice. And then our green onions. I also usually add sliced black olives, but I didn't have any, so we're not having that. But this is usually, if you essentially put what you like on a taco on this, it'll be super yummy. And then I usually buy the any kind of scoops usually, and I bought these just, I don't know why, they were on sale probably. And you put them in a bowl and you scoop it up. It's super yummy. I can't even believe this is coming out of my mouth, but I almost forgot to add cheese. I kept looking at the plate like something is missing. It's not black olives. It's got to be something else. Really blows my mind thinking I almost forgot to add cheese. I would have been so upset if we would have got to the party and it dawned on me then, and I didn't have any cheese to add. What a dingbat. They might have kicked me out of the family. Look at that yummy goodness. I promise if I would have forgot the cheese, they would have kicked me out of the family. I would have got fired. You're fired! This taco dip is requested at every single party we are invited to, and there is never a speck of it left. It is so delicious. I hope you give it a shot.